first thing we're going to do is to prepare our standard phosphate solutions. You have been given a 10 part per million phosphate solution, so now we need to make dilutions to get down to 5, 2 and 1 part per million. The quantities of phosphate and water are given in the instructions. Once that's done, we now prepare the reagent. First of all, add water to the ascorbic acid and ammonium molybdate, as in the instructions, and shake to dissolve. Now we simply mix the solutions together. Add 10 cubic centimetres of 2 molar sulfuric acid, then 1 cubic centimetre of the potassium antimonyl tartrate solution you've been given, and then empty in first the 3 cubic centimetres of ammonium molybdate and finally the 6 cubic centimetres of ascorbic acid. You will note the solution is now a pale yellow colour. Now you simply add 1 cubic centimetre of this combined reagent to each of the phosphate samples that you prepared at the beginning, and do the same for 5 cubic centimetres of any samples you wish to test. Once done, you simply leave them for between 10 and 30 minutes for the colour to develop. Now take your readings. On the Mistrica colorimeter, like the one we're using here, use the red LED. If you have another model, you still want to use red at roughly 630 nanometers. First you calibrate it just with a cuvette of water to make sure it's reading 0. Then take the readings of your standards. Once you've done those, take readings from any of the environmental samples. Once you have all your measurements, you can plot your graph. In this case, to make it easier, we were only using small quantities of the standards and only using Pasteur pipettes to make the dilution process more rapid, hence the less than perfect straight line.